In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how the Dunk City Dynasty hack works, including the latest Dunk City Dynasty mod that is currently working on both iOS and Android devices. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to get the Dunk City Dynasty hack step by step, even if you're a beginner. This method is fully updated to the latest version of Dunk City Dynasty, and it works without any complicated setup. As you can see on the screen right now, this Dunk City Dynasty hack unlocks multiple powerful features. You'll get access to unlimited tokens and diamonds, along with advanced options like Speed Hack, 3-point Shootout, and several other premium mod features that give you a huge advantage in the game. In this tutorial, I'll first explain what you need before using the hack. Make sure your Dunk City Dynasty game is updated to the latest version. To do this, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Dunk City Dynasty, and check if an update is available. If your game is already up to date, you're ready to continue. In this tutorial, the next step is very important. Scroll down and check the pinned comment below this video. That's where I explain exactly how and where to get Dunk City Dynasty++. Just follow the instructions shown there, and you'll be able to activate the hack and see how this method works in real time. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.